12 powerful survival tools every man should have. When you're out in the wild, every tool in your kit matters. Whether you're an avid camper, a hiker, or someone preparing for unforeseen situations, having the right survival tools can make all the difference. These powerful tools aren't just cool to have, they're essential for survival. From durable tape that can fix almost anything to purifiers that ensure your drinking water is safe, these gadgets are designed to help you thrive in the most challenging environments. T-Rex tape. T-Rex tape is not your average duct tape. Known for its incredible strength and versatility, this tape is an essential survival tool for its ability to withstand harsh environments. Whether you're patching up a hole in your tent, securing gear, or even making temporary repairs to vehicles, this tape holds up under extreme conditions like rain, snow, and intense heat. It adheres to almost any surface, making it the go-to option when other tapes fall short. In a survival situation where durability and reliability are key, having a roll of T-Rex tape can save you from a host of problems. United Cutlery M48 Tactical Harpoon. The United Cutlery M48 Tactical Harpoon is more than just a harpoon. It's a versatile tool for survival situations. Crafted from stainless steel and featuring a nylon fiberglass reinforced handle, this tool can be used for hunting, fishing, and even self-defense. Its sharp, piercing blade makes it ideal for spearing fish or small game, while its durable construction ensures it won't break under pressure. The harpoon can be lashed to a stick or pole to extend its reach, making it a must-have for survival in the wilderness. It's compact and lightweight, meaning it won't weigh you down, but it packs a powerful punch when you need it. Compact SAS Rake Folding Survival Bow. The Compact SAS Rake Folding Survival Bow is a revolutionary tool for anyone serious about survival. Unlike traditional bows, this one folds down into a compact, portable size that fits neatly in your backpack. It's lightweight yet powerful, capable of taking down game in a survival situation. Made from high-quality aluminum and fiberglass, this bow is built to last and withstand the rugged conditions of the wild. The folding design allows for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for long treks. Whether you're hunting for food or need protection, this survival bow gives you a stealthy, effective way to stay alive. Vulcan Titanium Canteen. Staying hydrated is one of the most critical aspects of survival, and the Vulcan Titanium Canteen ensures that you always have a reliable water source. Made from high-quality titanium, this canteen is not only lightweight, but also incredibly durable. It resists corrosion and can withstand extreme temperatures, meaning you can use it to boil water over a fire without worry. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, while the titanium ensures your water remains free from contaminants or strange metallic tastes. In any survival scenario, having a dependable canteen like the Vulcan Titanium can be the difference between life and death. Ready Hour Solar Power Bank. The Ready Hour Solar Power Bank is an essential tool for anyone venturing into the wilderness, especially in today's tech-reliant world. This rugged power bank is equipped with solar panels, allowing you to charge your devices using the sun's energy. Whether you're powering your phone, GPS, or other essential devices, this power bank ensures that you're never left without power, even when you're miles away from civilization. Built for harsh conditions, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, so it can endure the rigors of survival situations. It also features a built-in flashlight, making it a versatile tool for any emergency. Adventure 3.0. The Adventure 3.0 is a multifunctional tool designed to be your best friend in any survival scenario. This compact gadget includes a fire starter, whistle, compass, and even a paracord bracelet. Everything you need for survival is bundled into one lightweight tool, making it easy to carry and ensuring that you're always prepared. Whether you need to start a fire, signal for help, or find your way through the wilderness, the Adventure 3.0 has got you covered. Its durable construction means it can handle tough conditions, while its small size allows you to wear it on your wrist, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it. UFO Reel. Fishing is a vital skill in a survival situation, and the UFO reel makes it easier than ever. This portable fishing reel is small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to help you catch fish in a variety of conditions. Its compact design belies its strength, and it can be used with any standard fishing line. The UFO reel is perfect for those who want to carry a fishing tool without the bulk of a traditional reel. In a survival scenario where food sources might be scarce, the ability to catch fish can be the key to sustaining yourself for the long haul. Jalner tie. The Mjolnir tie is a titanium survival tool that is as durable as it is versatile. Shaped like Thor's hammer, this compact multi-tool is designed for a range of tasks including hammering, prying, and even cutting. Made from high-quality titanium, it's virtually indestructible, meaning it can withstand the toughest survival environments. Its small size allows it to fit easily into your backpack, while its ergonomic design ensures it's easy to handle. Whether you're setting up camp, fixing gear, or needing a defensive tool, the Mjolnir tie provides all the functionality you need in a compact and durable package. Budge eye? When you're out in the wilderness, having clear vision in low-light conditions can be the difference between safety and danger. The Bug Eye is a compact night vision binocular that allows you to see in the dark with incredible clarity. Whether you're navigating through the woods, setting up camp, or hunting game at night, this gadget ensures you're never left in the dark. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and its durable construction ensures it can handle rough conditions. The Bug Eye is a must-have for anyone who spends time outdoors in low-light environments, ensuring you always have an extra set of eyes when the sun goes down. Tenseformer. The Tenseformer is a revolutionary shelter system that combines a tent with a hammock, giving you versatile shelter options in any environment. This all-in-one survival shelter can be set up on the ground like a traditional tent or suspended in the air as a hammock, providing protection from both the elements and ground-dwelling critters. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, the Tenseformer is lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, making it perfect for survival situations where quick shelter is essential. Its tool functionality means you're always prepared, whether you're camping in a forest, by a lake, or in rugged mountain terrain. MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier. Clean water is critical in any survival situation, and the MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier provides an easy and effective way to purify water in the wild. This gravity-powered system filters out bacteria, viruses, and other harmful contaminants from natural water sources, ensuring that you always have safe drinking water. Its high-capacity design can purify large amounts of water in a short time, making it ideal for groups or extended trips. The filter is also self-cleaning, which means it requires minimal maintenance, even after multiple uses. The MSR Guardian Gravity Purifier is a must-have for anyone who spends time in remote areas where clean water is hard to come by. Easy A1. The SE A1 is a compact survival knife that is designed for versatility and durability. Its small, lightweight design makes it perfect for tasks that require precision, such as carving, cutting rope, or preparing food. Despite its small size, the A1 is incredibly strong, crafted from high-quality steel that can withstand harsh conditions. It's designed to be easily carried, either around your neck or attached to your gear, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it. In a survival situation, having a reliable knife like the A1 can make all the difference, providing you with a tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.